How to create a playlist on TikTok.
Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create your own videos playlist on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now click on profile, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy, scroll down, click on report a problem. Wait a minute and scroll down, click on videos and sounds. Scroll down and click on other. Click on other again. Now all you need to do is click on need more help. First thing, you should take a screenshot of your profile and click on the picture icon and send to Team TikTok your screenshot and tell them I can't make my own playlist, and they're gonna tell you what to do. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.